gonna eat all that? Let me pour a little bit back, okay?
Hi, we're making pancakes and eggs.
Your favorite. Eggs your favorite still?
Egg in my face too.
I can tell.
And pink in my face too. Don't spill Mika. Get it. But Meek, you need a lot.
But not too much. It's only you eating pancakes. I don't want any.
You want pancakes? Why? Hi, y'all. Hi, y'all. Hi. That's enough.
Do this.
Oh.
Thank you. I'm gonna put some water in it and then you can stir it, okay?
Okay. Hi, y'all. My sis is making pancakes and eggs for me. And Mika is doing something, guys, y'all. Guys. That's enough.
Let me see. That ain't gonna pour in the skillet. It gotta be a little runny. It needs more water. I'll be back.
Okay. Hi, y'all. Hi, y'all. Hi, Mika.
Hey, Nora.
And the lot is cute. You look like my mommy.
Who?
My mom.
Who look like your mom?
You.
You look like it. Why you on the table?
Oh, I really have.
You lucky I don't care.
Hi, Kahai. I'm up here. Real come up here.
Sister shit.
And this is my dog down here. How do it?
Yeah, let me just get the sides for you, then you can mix it. You gotta sit down though, so you don't make a mess.
Runny. We're twins.
We are.
You need more water than this.
That's perfect though. I think you did a great job.
This is good, Mika.
It's good?
It smells good.
Smells good?
Now we need a bowl.
That's for the eggs.
That's for me?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put it on my side one eating. Good. I need
What you doing?
Mika.
Yes.
I need sprinkle to make it perfect so I can eat it.
Alright. Y'all, I'm just letting her try whatever. She wanna put sprinkles in her pancakes.
No sprinkles in here.
In your pancake mix, huh? Go ahead, sprinkle some. Some rainbow pancakes. Is this even? This is why I need to be recording on my camera. But
I want to make it like, we can make it like slime.
Your pancake? I think this is enough. The sprinkles got it. Do you not want your banana anymore? I knew this was gonna happen.
What's gonna happen?
You not eating your banana?
Hi, y'all. We're making something. Wait, y'all. I need to put this in.
Alright.
I mean this in.
No. Hold on. Let's put the egg in first. I got you. I'm gonna let you do everything, okay?
Egg in, yay. Now, can I do it?
Yeah, let me crack a little for you. Now go ahead, separate it. Go ahead. Ooh, got it. Yep, perfect. I usually use lemon pepper when I did eat eggs. I don't anymore, but we don't have any. So I'm about to put some salt in here for her.
Wait a minute, we have
Salt and pepper. How many eggs you want? 1 or 2?
3.
Yo, you could get 2. She probably did want 3. We finally done cooking her sprinkle confetti pancakes. I got you. Your fork's in here. So, got sprinkle pancakes and some eggs. Yay. Could you pray first before you eat? Don't eat yet. Close your eyes and pray. Say, thank God for this food. The hands that made it. And those that are about to receive it. Amen.
Amen.
Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
You want some on your pancakes too?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Okay? That's enough?
Mm-hmm.
Eat up, big girl.
It's good.
It's good? I'm glad. You need to turn the TV up so you can hear it?
Mm-hmm. I forgot the guy.
We're going to let her eat and we'll be back. Say bye.
Bye.
Vlogging is so hard, so I commend those who do it, but it's like 2 in the afternoon. Say hi, Nora. Hi. We walk in Kahaya so we could go to the park. and do a few other things. My face is breaking out so bad. Let her use the bathroom. My face is breaking out so badly. I don't know what it is, but yeah. I'm gonna show Kaya poop.
This is my dog.
Watch out. Be careful. Don't step in the poop now. Let me clean it. I can't.
I'll clean it.
I'm get it. You good. Just hold Kaya for me.
Hurry, eat poo-poo. I'm gonna poop now.
She wrapped that belt around herself, y'all. It's that Libra. That Libra fashion sense. Huh? Huh?
Who got your car to make a hike?
We ain't driving. We supposed to be walking. Lazy.
I wanna drive.
We could drive when we get back. Ooh. Y'all, it's the sun for me. It's a great day. 73 degrees out of nowhere. I love it. I did my my sundress, no panties. All right, we'll talk to y'all when we get to the park or we do something new.
Three periods. And I got to first down. Yay!
Yeah. Are you dragging my dog?
I'm not dragging dogs from the swamp.
Go, Nora. Go, Nora. Where you going? Oh, you got it. You need my help? All right.
You did it, girl.
Hey!
Yeah.
Yo, we having fun. Get your workout in, Elijah.
Get your work out. Get your work. Get your work, Elijah.
Y'all came outside to be on your phones. Watch the kids play. Ice cream? Mm-mm. That's what we getting after this? I'm too tall, I can't. I'm crying. Oh, you're strong. That is, Look at you, I'm fast. Looking crazy. I can't do it for them.
Rock solid.
My snack. The sun had in the snack head.
Yeah.
So I walk nothing.
Uh-huh.
Oh my brother, blah blah blah.
Uh-huh.
The sun has eat my brother. I will kill him.
Oh, you want some apples?
No,
You sure? You don't want no apple?
I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it.
Of
I'm
course.
so excited what's in there.
What you think's in there?
I don't know.
It's a whole bunch of different things. Like what's to be in there?
Chocolate
Mm-hmm.
and the toy. I think it's Spider-Man. I mean Anna.
Anna's in there?
I mean Elsa. Anna, Elsa. I think both of them are in there. Anna and Elsa and Spider-Man. No.
I guess we finna find out. You did this one already? Or you need help? Toy haul, y'all. All you need to do is go to the dollar store and they be so satisfied.
This is America.
Uh-huh. Don't catch you slipping now. Don't catch you slipping now.
Who's they're sleeping on?
Oh, I don't know. I don't even know if that was the words, to be honest.
Don't say they're sleeping on.
Oh, what they say?
I don't know.
Oh, well, I guess we need to figure it out. How you gonna tell me I'm wrong if you don't know? That's a Band-Aid?
Mm-hmm.
You so creative. Yes, yes. It's gonna heal for sure. That like a great Band-Aid. All right, let me show y'all the rest of her toys. So you got Play-Doh. What else you got?
I got a book.
She got a book, a little workbook. Dollar, y'all. A dollar. She got a little nightlight. What's this? This is a surprise Barbie. You don't know who in there. I'm praying it's her, but you know.
It's for
We don't know.
Not you. It's for me.
It is. You're welcome. And then we got some matching cards. What's this one? Yeah, goldfish, matching, and old maid. I don't know what old maid is. I guess you're just learning stuff. Painter, firefighter. Yeah, you're learning professions. And then matching, play a matching game, and then goldfish.
Goldfish matching game.
Goldfish. Yeah, goldfish is a matching game. So yeah, all of the cards.
Goldfish is not a matching game.
Okay. Oh, watch it. You want to fight? Yeah? Come on, bring it on. Because that sound like fighting words. Let's go. No. Put the plate down. You want to fight, right? Who you telling to shut up? Stand up on your feet. Stand up. You want to fight, right? Now shut that up. Oh, yeah. You ever had one of these before? Look, that's in the way. Didn't even get to see you getting your butt beat. Now you won't look. Kahaya humping my leg. The dog down here trying to get some play. You feel left out, Kaka? We gonna beat Nora up together. She jealous. She's not used to.
I can have some.
I know, mommy.
Have some this.
She can have some Play-Doh. She can't have that. She gonna eat it.
Fine.
It's okay, Kaka. Yeah, she was jealous that we was playing without her.
I was trying to smell red Play-Doh.
Yes. You crying? No. It's because I beat you up.
I'll beat you up.
Nah, I beat you up.
My dad was.
But girl, we got the same dad.
We don't.
We do. But my dad first. Sky, what's wrong?
But why, Mommy?
She been here by herself. She wants some attention. That's it. That's all she needs. So soft.
No, we're not.
You a hater. Haters gonna hate. Say haters gonna hate.
Okay, Mom.
You hear her? That's her telling you haters gonna hate. She a hater, mommy.
I call her Mommy all the time. You don't.
Oh, now you do? Because you might see.
I call her both of these names.
All right, yeah, I showed y'all everything she got. Did I show y'all her Kinder Egg? Ow, how you scratching the mess out of me? What else? Oh, we also got slime. I didn't show the slime. And her Kinder Egg. Y'all know the kids. They can't live without them. It's the best thing in the world.
You're the best thing in the world, Mika. I'm gonna get pillows like I said.
I'm gonna cry. What you say to me? You told me I'm the best thing in the world? You make my heart so happy. You're the best thing in the world. You're the best thing that has ever happened to me. So, Nora, you're the best thing that has ever happened to me. You're the best thing in the world. I just can't believe she said that out her mouth. You want some apple juice? We left it here, huh? All right, I'm about to warm up your mac and cheese so you could play and
Mika, I need pillows.
Oh, to get higher? All right. Let me help her out, y'all.
I eat these pillows.
Yeah, hold up.
This is America.
Mm-hmm.
This is America.
Even the babies know.
I'm a
She's not a baby, right? My bad. Even the kids know. Gaia, why are you humping me? And it hurts. Because your nails are so long. She's just horny right now. That's all that is.
Her name is Harry.
Don't say that.
What's here?
I can't. She's healing. Coming back down to earth, getting her life together. Stop it. You can say heal. I thought you was going to say something else. You can say heal.
I thought you said I can't say
You can. I changed. I'm sorry. Miscommunication.
Is this the elephant?
Yeah, that. Oh, it looked just like an elephant. You did that. Show your elephant. I could tell. Yes, that's an elephant. What y'all thought? I see the trunk and all.
Get it. You saw it.
You saw it.
I saw it. I saw it.
Like, girl, it hurts to hump me.
Hurt.
She's humping me. Get it out, mama. Get it out. Am I supposed to let my dog do this? I really don't know what to do.
Her hugging you.
She is hugging me so tight. She's hugging me so tight. Hugging me with every part of her body. You hugging me? Come on, go give me a hug, Kaka. Go give me a hug.
I'll give her. I want her to give me a hug too.
You want her to give you a hug? Hug time.
Her gonna hug me tight.
There you go. Right. She don't know how to. There we go. Hug her. Hug her. Hug her tight. Just like that. Alright. Your duck is washed. What you doing?
Her stupid.
Stop. Come on now. With your mouth.
No more pizza for me.
Okay.
I have the hiccups now.
I can't.
You funny, Rika.
You funny. Dang. Let me get the.
Is this the top?
Yeah, that's the top to close it. When you put the Play-Doh away so it don't get hard. Oh, we're going in the wrong way. I didn't even give y'all the fit, did I? Bam. Oh, there's too much toothpaste on this. But I'm not. And boop. Yes, ma'am. I had to take advantage of this 73-degree weather that's finna be going by next week. We're gonna be back in the 50s, 40s. But you know, I'm feeling myself or whatever. Did I tell you? We was walking the dog and this man told me free dinner on him whenever I want. He gave me his business card, had to sell him. So wherever I want to go, he's ready to take me. May have to take him up on that offer, sir. Outfit. This is from Thrifted probably or something like that. I thrifted it, meaning I don't know where I got this from. I had this for a second now. I had this for a hot minute. This right here, who knows? I had all of this stuff and I just mixed stuff together. And I had my Nikes, the white Forces, low top with the navy check. I think I already showed y'all the fit.
Hi, y'all.
Hey y'all.
Don't you see me?
Don't you see her?
Yes. Yay.
Let's open it.
But,
How you? Oh, you just split this? That's funny. Okay, there you go. Now what?
okay, let's open it.
That's what a toy is?
I need a little bit of help.
That's fine.
And it's a chocolate.
And that's where you eat the stuff, huh?
Bum, bum, bum. We have a chocolate.
This is the chocolate. This is the toy. That's where you eat the stuff right there. You want that right now? You want to eat that right now?
Sure I do. You want to eat it too?
For what? Oh, here you go.
Hi!
It was drying off. I had washed it by hand. Here, this to eat it. And then there's your toy. You don't even want to eat it yet. What is it? Let's see. It's a truck. It's a motorcycle. Dirt bike. What's them thing? Looking oh so dusty. Exactly. Go brush your teeth. Go brush your teeth. Well, good morning. What we doing today? Where we going?
We're going at the park.
No, we could, but we going somewhere else. Where else?
We're going to the same thing that you were telling me. The beach, yay!
Yeah, we're going to the beach today, so let's do normal stuff until it's time. Have her playing while I cook some breakfast and stop looking busted for the both of us. So we'll see y'all when we're ready, probably walking the dog. Okay? Okay. Let's talk about my white refrigerator. What's up, y'all? Okay, I recorded earlier. I said we was gonna walk the dog. That scratch that. My mom walked the dog for me. But now we're in the say hey. Everybody say hi to Nora and Kahaya. Hey girl. So we're in the car right now. We're at Stop and Shop getting some chocolate for the s'mores. Everything last minute.
Yay.
Like last minute with us. But
and Kyla. And then we're gonna get them the s'mores.
Yep.
To make
I can't.
chocolate.
I can't. To make some s'mores, y'all. We on our way to the beach.
Yeah.
Yeah, here's my mom right now. And we about to be out. Let's do it, because I got to drive. We running late. Bye, bye. I see her.
I got the top.
It's not focusing right now, so I'm gonna focus on this branch, but we hear y'all, and you can hear it. Like, you get it. I don't have my right hand to focus it. I literally got too much crap in it. But we at the beach. Everybody's ahead of me, and we about to get this bonfire going. It's too lit. I'm so excited. All right, now you got a better view. It's kind of dark over here. I'm about to put my flashlight as the light. There we go. There we go. Now you can see what we got going on. A mess. Kaya, you excited? Yeah, she is. Got the dry wood. You wanna bury him?
Imagine you dig that and you see a body.
No, we are dead.
I'm dead.
They see us. Whoever buried it see us. Nora, say hey.
Hey. Don't go in water.
I'm not.
No.
Oh, Kaya, you scared me, girl. Nuh-uh, stop throwing sand on her. What's wrong with you?
Don't do sit right here.
No, I watched you.
I tried to sit right here, but I won't.
She ain't did nothing to you.
Oh, I tried. You. Oh, you did right here, Mama.
Stop throwing sand at people. You need to throw it in the opposite way.
Throw it in the water. Throw it in the water.
I'll try to go in the water.
Well, throw it over there. Don't throw it where everybody's standing. Kaya. Kaya. We love. No.
Gotta catch cold.
Come on now. You mess up your ears. You're welcome for thinking about you and keeping you warm. I'll put her jacket on. Leave your hood on, Kahaya. You messing up the fit. Kahaya, say cheese.
Where you get it from?
Big Lots. Big Lots. Huh? Don't play with me. My dog ain't going in that hole. I'm just ready for the marshmallows. Your girl is hungry. I'm starving.
Have a hot dog?
Nope.
Hot dog? Crack myself up.
You act. You win the dog. We can take turns, I figured. I mean, but I feel like you could do it without that. I feel like the fire would have been fine. No, back up real quick.
Nora.
Wait until the fire done, okay?
Nora, go over
She
there.
don't care. She don't care about nothing. Hello? You hear me though? You can't stand next to it while he lighting it, okay? It's nothing to cry about. Here. Do you understand? Nod if you understand. Now back up with me. Come on. I'm backing up too.
Y'all don't all have to have your light on,
Your tears are gonna freeze. You gotta wipe your tears. They're gonna turn into popsicles on your face. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. Oh God, you wanna have a stick fight? Show me what you're working with. Oh, you beating me up. Oh, look, he did it. Look.
We have fire.
Woo! You want to sit here? Okay.
Miss Tanya has it. Ask her for it.
Y'all ball.
No, they in the car. We got enough logs to last.
Yeah, that's ready. How many
Dramatic.
s'mores do you think you're making? We're gonna put it on
I only
here.
want like
Ready?
2, right?
Close it. Pull it.
Girl, that thing's fire.
Sit down. Right. You wanna sit down? Eat your s'more.
I need a review.
Say, look at my s'more. It's okay. You can eat it. You ain't even bite it.
The fire.
What's the
It's good. It's okay. We're gonna wipe your hands. Just lick them. Lick them.
marshmallow. There's only 3.
We'll wipe them off when you're done.
It's only 3. Get the other one. Oh, 6? Yeah.
All right, I'm about to eat my s'more and get up out of here. I can't do both. Here, another stick. I ain't forget about you, Kaka. Here. Ooh, sorry. Here. She said this is not a s'more. I'm gonna leave it right here.
You call her. You call her that all the time.
Kaka. That's her nickname. I heard you call her it. Wait, it's not.
I know, it's not like that. What?
Mission complete. We're on our way home. I don't see Sonora. Oh, she right there. Fire!
What for you?
And we out of here, y'all. You're not moving fast enough. We can't follow you if you go so slow.
I go faster.
I got it. Come on.
Come on, bro.
I thought we were playing street. Don't come in here.
I can't see where I'm going. What is this? You okay? You not okay? You need to go to the doctor? You're scared? I'm sorry. We gotta put some cream on it. Okay? You good? You good? Shake it off.